Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys this acrylic marker set I got. I'm going to open it up here and show you guys what it's like inside. I actually have opened it previously because I wanted to, and I'll show you what the results are as well. So it comes with 24 colors. So I'll show you guys here. This is how it looks when you get it. And we can see in here we have, I'm just going to take out a couple of these. So you see each one has two sides to it here. You have this side here with a very fine tip, and then you have this side here with a wider tip. And the way it works, you can just push down on it and it'll come out nice and good. And I'll show you what I did. I am a horrible painter and couldn't keep in the lines, but I painted my name, Neil, with the yellow one. I did a bad job, but I actually did this one a while ago, and I ran it through the dishwasher and everything, and it really does stay. So it's a permanent one. Once it's there, it stays. So it's really cool. And so that's what these are. And it comes with all these different colors. You can see these colors here. Some of them are upside down, I guess, on this side here. And I don't know the colors so much. I don't know if, to me, all these are looking the same. But does it say? It doesn't really say. But you get an idea of the colors here on this set by looking at it this way. So how cool is that? And you get 24 different ones. So lots of different colors, lots of different ones. If you want me to turn these around, I guess I will so you guys can see them all. I'll give you guys the full effect and turn everything around facing the right way. I don't know how I ended up with some backwards. I think maybe what happened was they fell out when I was using them earlier. Let's see if I can line these up here. It's going to take a second to line them up correctly. Well, I might not be able to. Why am I not? Well, I'm going to stick them all in here and you can see them for yourselves. So these are all the colors there. So you can kind of pause it and zoom in if you need to see everything. So those are all the different colors you get. I'm colorblind, so I can't really see it, but I use the yellow. But so that's it. So that's the way these are, and they are super cool and definitely handy to have around. So if you need some acrylic markers, this is a good set. So thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.